Straight to our big continued focus on project delays. A day after the Supreme Court verdict on Unitech, now Deputy Commissioner of Gurgaon, Satyaprakash, is set to step in, giving us clarity. He tells us how the action will be taken to ensure Unitech refunds home buyers. Just a quick reminder, on the 17th of August, the Apex Court had asked the developer Unitech to deposit the 15 crore rupees to refund buyers. Unitech had then told the Apex Court that they don't have enough money to refund buyers. Listen in then to Deputy Commissioner of Gurgaon, Satyaprakash, on the matter.
Yesterday we had a meeting under Additional Chief Secretary Town and Country Planning. So he reviewed the progress in almost 11 projects, and there's an action that is taking place from headquarters. Compared to the situation about 3 to 4 months before, the situation is not that grim. It is improving, and as and when we enable everybody to come together, and also the liquidity condition emerges, I think they should be able to. We should be able to give justice to all the home buyers.
Now, the Supreme Court has ruled in favour of 3 home buyers who were stuck with project delays in Unitech's Vista project. But as per reports, currently Unitech has 15 projects that are stuck in various stages of delays. My correspondent Deepa Rana caught up with buyers in Unitech's other projects. Listen to what they have to say.
The project delays in the Delhi NCR region continue to hound the home buyers. I have with me the home buyers of Unitech's Exquisite project. Now, yesterday the Supreme Court has given an order that the Unitech has to submit over 15 crores as deposit to various home buyers in the Supreme Court. Is that enough? Is the legal resort that people and the home buyers are taking, is that enough? Are the government and the authorities doing anything to bring any relief to the home buyers?
It's a complete loot which has happened with us. We are struggling to understand what has happened with us. Eventually what I had to do was, after the subvention period expired, the EMI started. In a matter of 6 months, I realized that I won't be able to afford this, and knowing that nothing is happening forward, I had no other option. The only home that we had, which we had built as a couple after marriage, there are dreams attached to it. There are so many memories attached to it. We had to sell it off and, square off the loan to at least be burden free from the monthly, agony of.
We bought an apartment in Exquisite in 2010, and it's 6 years now we're waiting. As an honest taxpayer to the country, I am paying a huge rent. I am paying a huge EMI because, somewhere my conscience does not allow me to default to the banking institution that's given me money to pay the loan. But, the bank, the government, I don't know who's accountable. There is nobody. They just keep having meetings. They just keep giving assurances. It's all a vote gaining game.
Repeat a story that now Mr. Rao has come in, who's the chief secretary, and he's now getting into, and he's again repeating the whole thing again. Now there'll be somebody else who will come in, and in between there will be some transfers happening, and So government is actually doing nothing apart from doing some kind of a lip service.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.